Snacking often gets a bad reputation. Many believe that reaching for a snack between meals is a surefire way to derail healthy eating habits or contribute to unwanted weight gain. But the truth is, snacking can be a crucial part of a balanced diet. If you choose the right foods, instead of sugary, processed treats or calorie-laden chips, imagine reaching for options that are not only satisfying, but also provide nourishment and energy. Here are 7 guilt-free snacks you can enjoy every single day without regret. Let's start with Greek yogurt and berries. This classic pairing is more than just delicious. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which helps you feel full and supports muscle health. It's also a great source of calcium for strong bones. When you add a handful of fresh berries, like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, you're introducing antioxidants, vitamins, and a natural sweetness that can satisfy cravings. The combination offers a creamy, crunchy, and tangy experience that's perfect for breakfast, a midday snack, or even a healthy dessert. For an extra boost, sprinkle a few chia seeds on top for fiber and healthy fats. Next on the list, sliced vegetables with hummus. Crunchy carrots, crisp cucumber, sweet bell peppers, and juicy cherry tomatoes. These vibrant veggies are low in calories, but high in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Pair them with a couple of tablespoons of hummus, a creamy dip made from chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon juice, and garlic. Hummus provides plant-based protein and healthy fats, making it a satisfying and wholesome snack. The fiber from both the vegetables and the hummus will keep you feeling full longer, curbing mindless munching later in the day. Plus, it's easy to prepare ahead and take on the go. For those who crave something salty and crunchy, air-popped popcorn is a game-changer. Unlike its buttery, movie theater counterpart, homemade air-popped popcorn is low in calories and high in fiber. 3 cups of plain popcorn has less than 100 calories and can be flavored with a dash of sea salt, a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, or even a pinch of cinnamon for something sweet. Popcorn is a whole grain, which means it contains beneficial antioxidants and can support digestive health. Just be mindful to avoid heavy oils or sugary toppings to keep it guilt-free. Another snack that's both satisfying and nutritious is apple slices with nut butter. Apples are rich in fiber and vitamin C, offering a juicy crunch and natural sweetness. Pairing apple slices with a tablespoon of your favorite nut butter, whether it's almond, peanut, or cashew, adds healthy fats and protein. This combination provides lasting energy and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. It's a snack that feels indulgent without being heavy, and it's perfect for both kids and adults. For variety, try sprinkling a little cinnamon or a few crushed nuts on top. If you're in the mood for something a bit more savory, roasted chickpeas are an excellent choice. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. When tossed with a little olive oil and your favorite spices, such as paprika, cumin, or garlic powder, and roasted until crispy, they become a satisfyingly crunchy snack. Roasted chickpeas can be made in large batches and stored for several days, making them a convenient grab-and-go option. They're also incredibly versatile. You can experiment with different flavor combinations to keep things interesting. Cottage cheese with pineapple or other fresh fruit is another snack you can enjoy daily. Cottage cheese is low in fat but high in protein, making it a great option for supporting muscle repair and keeping hunger at bay. When paired with sweet, juicy pineapple or other fresh fruit like peaches or mango, you get a balance of savory and sweet, along with vitamins and minerals. This snack is not only refreshing, but also helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, thanks to its combination of protein and natural fruit sugars. If you prefer a savory twist, try cottage cheese with cherry tomatoes and a sprinkle of black pepper. Finally, nuts and seeds round out our list of guilt-free snacks. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are loaded with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a variety of essential nutrients like magnesium and vitamin E. These nutrients support heart health, brain function, and even skin health. Although nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, A small portion, about a handful, is enough to curb hunger and provide long-lasting energy. To keep things interesting, try mixing different types together or adding a few dried cranberries or raisins for a touch of sweetness. Just remember to choose unsalted or lightly salted varieties to keep sodium levels in check. Choosing guilt-free snacks isn't about restriction or deprivation. It's about making mindful choices that support your health and satisfy your cravings. Each of these 7 snacks offers a balance of protein, healthy fats, fiber, and natural flavors, making them perfect for any time of day. Whether you're powering through a busy workday, fueling up before a workout, or simply needing a little pick-me-up in the afternoon, these snacks can help you stay energized, focused, and on track with your wellness goals. To make healthy snacking even easier, consider prepping your snacks ahead of time. Wash and chop your vegetables, portion out nuts and seeds into small containers, or make a batch of roasted chickpeas at the start of the week. Having these options ready to go can help you avoid reaching for less nutritious choices when hunger strikes. Remember, the key to guilt-free snacking is moderation and variety. Listen to your body's hunger cues, savor each bite, and enjoy the process of nourishing yourself with wholesome foods. With these 7 snacks in your daily routine, you can snack smarter, feel better, and enjoy every bite, guilt-free.